Hey, what's up guys, my name is Andrew and welcome back guys to my channel. In this short video I'm going to explain you and show you how I am generating over 1000 euro on two simple trades. As you can see, I have two trades open and running right here, right now on this broker called Libertex. And so I did two positions, okay? So I took USD JPY for sell position and I took GBP USD for buy position. And now it's already generating 1100 euro profit, and it's still, it's still in trades. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I came up with these trades, how I came up with these trading opportunities, so that you can replicate me, so that you can replicate my trading strategies, for your own use. So guys, without any further delays, let's get it started. So before I get started, if you're not my subscriber, please guys make sure that you click on that subscribe button so that you'll be up to date with all my upcoming video news releases. So guys, we have no time to waste, we have trades running and these trades had to be closed very soon because one of them is reaching its resistance level. So guys, let's get it started. Hey guys, so USD JPY, let's take a look at it, and you're gonna see the whole picture. USD JPY is it has reached its support. This was support, so now we have to close this trade manually because I wanted to show you why I'm closing this trade manually. However, GBP USD is still running, of profit, with profit of 680, over 600 euro. So this trade is still running, guys. I will leave it open. But this trade, guys, however, I closed. So let's take a look at USD JPY. So guys, USD JPY, as you saw, it reached its support level, and the support level was right here. If you are my student from my Income Mentor Box Training Academy, then you should be a professional in identifying support and resistance lines. But it's really simple. So look at it, guys. So this was the level where the price bounced here, back up, here, back up, here, back up again. Now it's doing the same thing in here, okay? So we have a resistance, we have support corridor going on right here between this line as well as this line right here, okay? So this was a spike. So this is a really strong support. What does it mean? It means that if the price is gonna hit this level again, it's gonna go up. I made, however, a sell position for that particular asset. Let's go back to my broker here. Now let's quickly look what's happening with the GBP USD. GBP USD, however, I hope it's gonna reach it could reach its support level right here. So let's talk about USD JPY. So let's just go back here a little bit. Let me see. So GBP USD. Let me see. It's reaching its resistance. Okay, when it's gonna reach its resistance, it's most likely gonna bounce. It's gonna bounce back down. Okay. So the resistance is here, as you can see in front of the camera, guys, right here. This is the live trade running live in front of your eyes. So this is really strong resistance. So if the price is if this GBP USD gonna go up to 128.814, it's gonna go back down. So now I'm really looking for the best exit. Okay, the best exit position the best exit would be from this 28795. Now it's now it's 775. So it's best, if you are a newbie trader, it's best just to close this trade. What I would do is what you should do if you're an experienced trader, you should simply, put your take profit level. And my take profit level will be at 1.28816 to 816. So 816, it should be your take profit level. And this should be your level right here. But this is really strong resistance. That's why, as you can see, it's going down. Okay, so I'm gonna close this trade. I'm happy with the profits I made already. So that's it. I closed two trades. Right, so we have closed. So why did I close these trades? I closed these trades so that you are seeing my actions live. Because I haven't seen any other YouTuber showing actual live trades, showing actual live trading activities and live trades being closed in front of the camera. I haven't seen this on any other YouTube channel. I'm sorry guys, maybe I missed. That's why I really want to grow my channel up, because I really want to show real profits, real trading actions on my channel. So guys, we closed two trades. So now let's go to the USD JPY back again. So USD JPY, you know, USD, as you can see right here, this is the support I was talking about. This is the support I was talking about. Let me just see. So let me see. So USD JPY. So yeah. So we closed it. So I opened this trade at 12 o'clock and I closed it at 17 past 1. So let's say 1 hour and 15 minutes we generated. You know, this was a bad trade, you know, because if, you know, because I should have left it a little bit longer, a little bit longer. As we can see, there was a little spike here, and this spike went down here, and this is our support, meaning that if the price is going to hit support, it's going to go back up. So support should be your take profit level. So your take profit level should be a little bit above your support, obviously. But yeah, guys, so this is the easy profits we generated from this trade. And how we came up with this trade. So thing number one, you know that I have my favorite trading pair list, which is this one right here. My favorite pairs. The Euro USD currency pair has the highest order flow and those the best liquidity in the entire forex market. Other strongest currencies for trading are USD JPY, USD CHF, AUD USD, Euro CHF, AUD USD, USD CAD, GBP JPY, and GBP USD. I don't trade any other forex pairs out there. These are my favorite ones. I know how these trades are acting in the markets. I know what's happening in the market because I go to investing.com. This is something I would recommend you to do as well before you place any trades. Make sure you go to investing.com. Make sure you click here on news, go to economic calendar, and make sure that you choose your time zone right here. Choose your time zone and make sure that there are no, significant news, significant news during your time when you trade, okay? During your time when you trade. For example, there was a speech out for GBP news at 1 o'clock. These are the when the 3 bull news are being released, okay? Those are the times when you should not trade those particular assets, okay? Those particular assets, when there are speeches being released, there are news being released. If the news are negative, it brings the currency down. If the news are positive, it brings the currency up. Anyway, so long story short, so how do we come up with the great trading opportunities such as we did right a few minutes ago, okay? So I basically take a look at my list every day, I have the list and I simply go to TradingView, and TradingView and I just simply take a look at what's happening in the market. After that, I go to investing.com and I am prepared for the news releases, okay? And look what news was released earlier on for particular assets that you want to trade. So for USD JPY, I saw trading opportunity. I was looking at 5-minute chart, which is this chart. Actually, this is the chart. Yeah, 5-minute chart, and without using any indicators. I was again doing the same thing I did just a couple of minutes ago. I look at a chart, look at 5-minute chart. So let me just put chart like here, because this bit I didn't see this last bit because it was I placed this trade at what time? It was at 2 past 12. It was 2 past 12 when it broke its support. Let me just find it where it was. It broke its support. Okay. Let me just see where it was. So I can see this candle. So yeah. It was. Let me see. So here. So this support right here. It was 2 past 12. So this candle right here. So look, I remember I was showing you in my previous video from last week how to look for the best supports and the best resistances. I'm always telling you, my students, that it's really what, Charlie? Just quiet. It's my parrot. Sorry. So I always tell my students to look for these consolidations, okay? Do not trade support resistance, when the price when the price just goes like this, just up and down like hugely, like here, because when you set your stop loss, sometimes those spikes could break through. It's best to look for support resistance when these consolidation when consolidation situations are appearing. So when they go when you see huge movements, wait for smaller movements, wait for even smaller movements like this, and then what you do, you put a line like you see right here. That's what I did earlier on. Line right here, and this line will tell you, okay, this is a really strong. This is a strong support. The price has consolidated here because we have small candles. You know, you don't trade there when there are big candles, you know, shooting up, you know, and down, and markets are crazily volatile. Yes, you can generate short-term scalping positions and short-term profits that way, yes, but for that you need to catch at the lowest and at the highest price, you know, and that could be really difficult, you know, especially if especially if you don't know what's happening in the market. That's why it's best to look for these consolidation situations like here. I mean, the price went down and, you know, went up, and here you see these small candles. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 small candles, and what happened then? New candle opened and closed way below my support. What does it mean? It means that it becomes my really strong resistance, and it means that the price is going down. And what I did, I went to my broker and I placed the sell position for GBP, sell position for USD JPY, okay, and that's it, you know. And then I was waiting for the next support. And the next support happened just 5 minutes ago that I showed you, where I closed the trade. In here, you know, I closed the trade, and look what happened after I closed the trade. The trade went up, you know. So I closed this trade here because this was, you know, or in this area, because this was my next support. Because after that support, I know the prices will go up. And the more price will go up, the more money I will lose, because this is a sell position. I think, guys, it makes sense, you know. If nothing that I'm explaining you in this video makes any sense to you, don't worry, guys. I want you to email me, incomementorbox@gmail.com, and, you know, challenge me, ask me questions, and I'm gonna just explain you, you know, all and open, because there is no magic going on here. No magic, you don't believe me? Okay, let's take a look at the other one, GBP USD. Why GBP USD? Guys, you know that, you know, if you're my student, then you already know that GBP USD and USD JPY, if one goes up, what happens to the other? Other goes down. If USD JPY goes down, you know, then you can expect the GBP USD to, you know, to go up. Well, most likely what happens is that, you know, sometimes it can be impacted by the news release. But I want you to go on the charts and take a look at it. But you know what? You take a look at the biggest correlations, which is Euro USD and USD JPY. You're gonna be shocked, guys, okay? So if the USD JPY goes up, you know, look what happens to the Euro USD. You know, there's always correlations, you know, in these forex pairs. And when you know these correlations, sometimes trading can be really easy. Although it's really challenging to catch those trades into the best trading positions, okay? Best price. So let's take a look at my other profitable trade, which was GBP USD. So I took it at 1.282551. 1.28. Again, look at this. I took it at the same time. Why? Because I knew that if the one goes down, the other one will go up, and this is exactly what happened. Because that's what happens most of the time. You know, this trading strategy I have been using for past 2.5-3 years. I mean, that was when I started to learn manual trading only without using any indicators, because when I become a newbie in trading, I become very interested in trading. I kind of fell in love with trading indicators, and there are a lot of trading indicators. One of which is this Fibonacci retracement. Fibonacci retracement. You can click here on tradingview.com. Click on here on this pitchfork thing and choose FIB retracement. It's called Fibonacci retracement. And how you place it, these are these crazy lines you see on the screen. You simply place it from the highest point to the lowest point. You know, and here we go. So let's take a look at this buy position that I made. You know, so I made this buy position right here. So the Fibonacci, so when I did that, I identified my lowest point, which is this area right here, and then I saw that the price was already consolidating in this area. So 1.28402 is like there is no questions asked. This is a strong support. And what does it mean? Even if you're a newbie trader, you can actually go to your broker and place a trade of GBP USD. Even after this video, even after my video, okay, you can go to your broker and place GBP USD. Place buy position for GBP USD at 1.28404. And then after a few, and then whatever happens in the market, we will see what will happen. What will happen? Most likely, price is gonna bounce around this area, then it's gonna bounce around this area, and then it's gonna go back up. Because look, this is our low. This is our all-time low. So yeah, but let's go more closer to the position that we took. So I took it at this. So I took it at 12 o'clock. So 2 past 12 o'clock. It was around this area. Well, this was my another support basically. Okay. I didn't expect, I wanted to make a sell position, but I did not make sell position because I identified my support, which is right here, and I wanted to make a sell position, okay? I really wanted to make the sell position, I was hoping that my support will be broken in this area, okay? At 12 o'clock, so the candle went down and up, but however, you see, there was another candle before 12 o'clock, this red candle. It broke through my support. I was thinking that my support will be broken and I should make a buy position, even though it's not according to the correlation when it comes to these currency pairs. And it didn't happen because by the book it says that, if the one goes down, other one goes up. It did go down, but there was just so strong power from the bulls. There was strong bull power from the bottom, and it just pushed the price up. And look at these candles. They respected themselves so heavily that they even closed and opened at the same level, which is this level, which is this level, 1.28461, which is my really strong support. And what happened then? It just went up. It just went up, And yeah, so I'm happy with my profits today. So these, not ideal, Next time, actually, guys, I'm not sure. Let me know if you want me to close these trades in front of the camera. But here I could make another. Here I lost about 50 euro, So 457.74 plus 611.43. So I made 1,069 euro and 17 cents from 2 trades with 1 hour and 15 minutes. 1 hour and 15 damn minutes. Don't believe me? Take a look at it again. I took it at 2 past 12 and exited at here, okay, 21 past 1. So okay, let's say 1 hour and a quarter. So a little bit over 1 hour, okay. 1 hour and 15, well, a little bit over than 1 hour and 15 minutes, okay. So here we go. So in little over than 1 hour, I was able to generate over 1,000 euro profit with 2 trades and 2 trades only. That's, guys, I'm always, I keep getting emails from people asking me how many trades is more recommended to place per 1 day. How many trades should I place in any 1 day? Guys, you should not ask this question. You should ask question how much you want to generate in terms of profits or in terms of pips in 1 day. But always remember, quality over quantity. Quality over quantity, and even if you have 1 trade, even in 1 trade you can generate 600 euro profit. It's much better than to place 10 trades, which could cause you into a losing positions, That's why it's always quality over quantity. Quality over quantity, discipline, education and practice is the key. Take a look at your support resistance lines, take a look at support resistance lines and start using Fibonacci retracement if you have difficulty finding those strong support and resistance lines. because Fibonacci retracement is going to indicate you really great support resistance line corridors. Corridors, I mean these areas right here, these profit areas, okay? So between this area and this area is my strong resistance area, this is my strong support area, and all these, these areas you should use for your own benefit when you place any trades, either forex, stocks, indices, indexes, doesn't matter what you trade, this is really beneficial tool for you. So thank you guys for watching this trading video with my live trades. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to join my Income Mentor Box Day Trading Academy, and if you want to become professional trader from home and tell your 9-to-5 job bye-bye, then you're always welcome to join my academy. The link is below the video. Yeah guys, but however, my main advice is to stick to the rules, stick to the trading rules, and always have your discipline in place. Thanks guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and see you guys again next time. Bye!